6 Financial planning tips for high school students heading to college. You can begin developing the abilities required to become a wise money manager long before you receive a salary from your first full-time job. Even if you don't have much money right now, it will be crucial to have some financial knowledge as you begin to live on your own. Although your time in college will probably teach you how to live within your means, having some basic financial knowledge will make the transition much simpler. Here are 6 financial advice for high school students to think about as you plan for college. 1. Don't live off of your student loans. Although borrowing money with student loans may seem like getting money for nothing, you will eventually have to pay it back with a hefty dose of interest. If you can avoid it, avoid using student loans to cover living expenses. Instead, only borrow what you require to pay for your tuition and other educational expenses. Then, take a job to pay for any additional expenses. Or, if you'd rather not work while in school, utilize your vacation time and summer vacations to work part-time and save money that will enable you to finish the school year and concentrate on your studies. 2. Open a checking and savings account. Any college student must have a bank account with a debit card. But you should also start a savings account and try to make regular contributions to this account. Use these savings as an emergency fund in case you incur unforeseen costs or lose your income while you are a student. Whether you end up using those savings, the routine of saving will help you develop a habit that will be useful in the future. 3. Set a budget to keep your spending in check. You still have every reason to create a budget, even if you don't make or spend a lot of money overall. Your margin for error is smaller when you have less money to handle, so utilize a budget calculator or other money management tool to ensure that those late-night food runs and impulsive college purchases don't leave you in debt. 4. Don't use credit cards for emergency relief. Do you have an unexpected expenditure or financial emergency? Although using credit cards may provide some respite, doing so comes at a high cost. There may be other, better solutions available, including using your savings, asking relatives for assistance, or even using student loan money, which is far from ideal but has a far lower interest rate and can ultimately save you more money. 5. Rent textbooks when possible, or buy used instead of new. College textbook costs can mount up, but there are simple methods to cut costs. Renting textbooks is becoming more and more popular, and it can save money for college students who are pressed for cash. If renting isn't an option, buy used copies of your books when they're on the market. The books might not be perfect, but they will still provide the same material as a brand new copy, and the savings can be substantial. 6. Protect your credit score. Although skipping payments and stacking up credit card debt may momentarily ease your financial burdens, if these acts appear on a credit report, they could have major repercussions. Your ability to obtain credit may be negatively impacted if you have accounts that go into collections or other significant financial errors that remain on your credit record for 7 years. Make every effort to maintain your credit record spotless because the mistakes you made in college can follow you into your professional career. In addition to the academic knowledge you get, college is a learning experience that almost usually involves financial lessons as well. But the more you learn about, and put into practice, money management advice when you go for school, the better equipped you'll be to face the difficulties that arise.